Working on the '07 new body style truck I got. I always forget to record stuff before I do things. I'm going to put a USB charger plug in here. Oh, where did I put it? There it is. So one of these. Put it in right here. And then you just pull on the dash and it pops out. And then you pull on this section, it pops down, but it knocked that clip off, so I'll have to fix that. This side the clip stayed on. I just had to get that little tab right there knocked in, and then I hit this part with a hammer and it popped right out. And the one I bought off Amazon fits right in. So I just gotta do wiring and put it back together. There, first thing done for the new truck. I gotta go back in here because I gotta run some RCAs and a few other things. I think I'll do switches in here. I'll never use the ashtray for anything. I don't know what I'll put switches on for. It is a 2-wheel drive. Would be a good place for the sub control though.